I'll try another one. This one is one first bite, second bite. Up. Very delicious. Really like it. Thank you for watching. Sending this tofu square to South Africa for your breakfast. Okay, sige. We'll try to make a dessert next time. Like a sweet one. We'll try. I don't know much about dessert recipe, but we'll try. What kind of dessert do you like? Anyway, so that we can prepare for that. Thank you. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Ginger rice pudding. We'll see. We'll see. I'll try to search about that one. I don't know how to cook pudding anyway. But we'll try. Like you have recipe, you have the recipe for that one, so that I can, you know, at least have the we will find. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate you leaving comments and, you know, sharing your thoughts. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Enjoy your day. Work, work, work. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye. Napakatagal maluto nito. Ang dami pa kasi. There's so much. Nandito pa yung iba. But we will not cook this all. Separate na natin. I-wrap na lang natin siguro. Maybe we can cook another set for tomorrow. Kasi ang dami na niya. Pero nabusog na ako kakakain. Masarap siya, guys. Try nyo. Very masarap siya. So, try natin. See? I-dip natin sa sauce. And hop.